Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Akshay, and you're watching Crypto Alpha. This channel was created I think 2 days ago, and I posted a video which was basically about how to earn free crypto without investing single cents. In that video, I got 48 views, which is I think fair enough. I cannot expect more views in my first video. But what we gonna cover in this video? We're gonna cover first of all Bitcoin analysis, and we're gonna see a Bitcoin dominance chart, and we're gonna see US 30 stock market chart, and after that we're gonna cover two reasons why market can panic, and I will show you why market can really panic. So you should be keeping some free of you should be keeping some free cash so that you can buy the dip. And after that, I'm going to show you one algorithm for the long term holding, and what are the entry points to buy, and which are the entry points to buy, how how this can change the world if Web3 comes. So what else? I think it's enough for video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, let's see the Bitcoin chart. This is a Bitcoin chart, and I think this is Bitcoin is holding its trend line well. But I, in the but Later on, I'm going to show you the two news that market can panic, and this support can retest. I think major support is now. I think major support is now 35 to $36,000, and this support is around $41,000. And why it can come back to 40k. I will sharing I will be sharing later. Just see the Bitcoin chart. It's holding its trend line well. So no reasons to worry for now. But let's see at the Bitcoin dominance chart how it's performing. You can see Bitcoin dominance chart. After just breaking this trend line, it retests. It retested, and now it is climbing up. You can see this blue line. Uh, it touched three times. I think two times, and now it is three times. It can touch here, and it can go up to I think 44% around. It can go up to 44%, and if it will go up, then altcoins will bleed. So be careful while trading altcoins for now, because you can really buy cheap altcoins. If you're gonna watch today's show, and why I'm saying to free some of the cash as of now. So this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and let's see the what how US stock market is doing. Let's see. This is the US 30 stock market Dow Jones chart. I think after the conference, it started to pump, and now it is. I think it's coming back. It's coming down, and let me show you. Let me show you that how much it printed from last year. You know that what US inflation rate is? It's currently 6.8%, which is huge. And let me show you. Last year, I think Corona affected many industries. Despite that, it printed I think around 93 to 94%. So this is the reason why this. So where does this money come from? Because US central bank printed more money, and that is the reason why inflation has gone that much higher. Now this was the three charts I was supposed to show. I was supposed to show you. Now now let's see why. There are two reasons why market can panic. First reason is that you can see that leverage is high. It cannot be that much to if market needs to go leverage. Market needs to flush out the leverage, and you can see the past records. I Let's see when let's see in April 13 April, when price of Bitcoin was 62,946 and leverage was high, what happened? It crashed. It's just crashed, and then it gone to sideways, and then again a next flush out of leverage, and it came down leverage, and the leverage came down. So what I'm saying is that leverage is too high. So I will suggest you to keep some of the cash free. So if market come down, if I'm not saying if market will come down because of the leverage. First, one of the reason is leverage, because there's too much leverage in the market. So market needs to come down and just flush out the leverage, and then it can go up. So in that way, we can be on the normal markets. The second reason why you should be keeping some free cash so that you can buy the dip is this letter. What the commission letter says that last week FED meeting was one of the most pivotal of all time. Key changes include what US Central Bank was saying previously, that inflation is transitory, and now what they are saying, that to no mention of transitory at all. And what the US Central Bank was saying already, number two, what the US Central Bank was saying, that no rate hikes until 2023, and now they are saying that 3 rate hikes in 2022. And number three, they were saying that they will gradual tapering. They will do gradual tapering, and now they said that they will increase the rate of tapering to 30 billion per month, and this shows that FED, which is US Central Bank, is in full panic mode, and US can panic. So be careful while trading, and I will suggest you to keep some of the cash free so that you can buy the dip. Now, what else? I said that I will share one altcoin gem for long-term holding, right? So let's move on to that. I think this altcoin gem is AIOZ network. This is what this is. When Web3 trend comes, it is going to explode. I'm saying again, it is going to explode. Why? Because you can see there's you can go to their site, and what the project does. Let me show you. It's just loading. I think its internet is slow. EOS network, layer 1 blockchain based content delivery network CDN, opens to the new era of the internet, streaming powered by you. It is streaming powered. I think it is decentralized streaming powered network. And if you want a separate video on this altcoin gem, that how it works, how it actually works, and how it is gonna change the world, so I can make a separate video on that. So if you want that video, just comment below. I will make a separate video on that. Currently AIOZ network has a market cap of 96 million. It's nothing. When Web3 trend comes, it can easily 10 to 20x. Because this project is such great that it is competing with Google, YouTube, and many many streaming platforms like Twitch, and I think others. So I was supposed to be telling that what is the buying point for this coin. I think it's really cheap now. If just understand how I'm telling to buy. If you want to invest $100 in this coin, just buy $20 of AIOZ network right now, and I think market can come down because of leverage and because of that FED news. So keep buy 20% of now and keep that 80%, $80 free, so that you can buy if it dips more. So this was all about this video. I think you all like. If you like this video, just hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. show some support so that I will be motivated in making the next videos. So this was all about this was all about this for the time being. Invest well, my friends.